Hi everyone, I'm Hens from Hens This Way, and today I'll be unboxing the Spring Spiritú box. So real quick before we start this video, I am so glad to announce that I am a brand ambassador for the Spiritú box. So if after you see this video you like what's on the box, you can just go ahead to the description and click on the link that will take you directly to the website. So enjoy. So for those of you that haven't seen my first unboxing of a Spiritú box, which I'm going to leave the link down below, this is a quarterly subscription. It's $39.99, free shipping. I mean, awesome. And they usually send you $160 plus in products. So I liked and loved the first box, so I am almost certain that I'll be liking this box too. This is confession time. One, I already know like 3 of the products that they have on this box because I couldn't just keep myself away from their Instagram stories and the Instagram posts. But it's fine. I'll be equally excited. And the second one, and I'm saying this because I said it in another video, I did unsubscribe for like a minute, only because I was moving around and everything. So now I subscribed again because I really loved the products in the first one. I still use them, and I also love for what they stand. Let's see what we have on this box now. So what I love about this box and their winter box is that the art is so beautiful that you can just keep it and store stuff in it. The box art was made by Sonia Romero, so shout out to her. And it's just beautiful. I also love that it comes very sturdy. So like they have these circle stickers here. You know that stuff are not gonna like come out of it just like that. Like it's just pretty sturdy. I love how they ship it and everything. So let's just open her up. First of all, it smells really good. I don't know if they put a perfume or something in here, but this is how it comes. I love that it's just so pretty presented. They have a postcard basically, you know, saying thank you, and it does say that it has over 160 thoughts of beauty and lifestyle and products from some of their favorite brands. So I love that. And they also have kind of like a little pamphlet with what's inside the box and the prices and everything. So I'm just gonna go over this later because I do want to kind of like see and be surprised by the product that I haven't seen yet. And then they have a Zano activewear. You can get like a 20% off on Zano activewear. That's pretty cool. Now we have this right here. I'm gonna open it up and show it to you guys first. We have right here, this is what's inside the box. It should be like 5 to 7 products. I don't remember very well, but I believe that's like what is supposed to be here. So okay, let's just start. So we first have a beautiful keychain from Peru. I like that they do this because they did this in the last box, but it was a kind of like a little bracelet from Colombia. So they like contact places from different Latin American countries to send them like different cute stuff, like this in case it's a keychain. It was handmade by local female textile artisans from, I'm gonna say this wrong, sorry, Olatentembo and Cula, Peru. It's really pretty and I love it, oh my gosh, and I actually do need a keychain, so this is pretty cool. Thank you so much, Spiritú. Next up, it's one of the ones that I've been really excited for because I did saw this on their website, on their Instagram, and I was like, yeah, it's cool. So it's just like little hoop earrings from Margaret Elizabeth, and I just like been loving lately, just like kind of like hoop earrings. So this is really cute. I love it. Next up we have, let me see, this is one of the other products that I did saw. It was a mascara from Clinique, and honestly Clinique is a very good brand, so I'm very excited to try this out, and I need mascara, so it's awesome. Then we have a Donna Karan Cashmere Mist This is a deodorant over here. So it smells really nice. And as someone that has issues finding deodorant, I would love to try this. It has like a distinct smell. Like it's not only like deodorant, it's like a little perfume. Cute. Next we have the Bodyography Skin. This is an instant lift eye mask. It says that it comes like 3 pairs. This looks nice. So there comes 3 of them. I'm really excited to try this out. I actually have never had any eye mask before, so yeah, it's cool. Then what we have here, we have a Dove conditioner. I actually do like Dove a lot, so ooh, it smells really, really nice. It's for thick, extremely damaged hair. This is awesome actually because my hair is pretty thick and you know there's some parts of it that is damaged. So I'm really excited to try this out, this conditioner. And then we have Halo Color Lab X Pilimontilla. And this is, oh, yes, boo. This is a police. I forgot the name. Police. This is Llamen a los bomberos, which means call the firefighters. It's a really beautiful red color. I really love polishes. Nail polishes, I'm bad at doing it myself, but I am excited for this. I'm excited for all of it, but I'm excited for this and the hook earrings the most. I see something else here. Ooh, think, want it, get it from Zano, which is which is the activewear company that you know they gave like 20% off. Then you can buy their activewear stuff, and I believe 1 second. I'm like looking only because they put in some boxes, kind of like a golden ticket. It's not kind of, it's a golden ticket to be able to buy like I don't know how much in clinic products. So I was checking to see, you know, if I got it or not, which I didn't, but it's fine. It's okay. So okay, comes with a lot of stuff. Okay, so now let's go with the prices. I like these products are more towards the beauty side of it than the other blocks, which I'm living for it. I'm really, really excited. This actually I feel like I will use most, like all their stuff. So now let's talk prices. So like I said in the beginning, they have a pamphlet when they have all the prices, and I really appreciate that because it actually shows you how much basically you received with just paying $39.99. So I think that's pretty cool. And all the products are full size. So let's see. So this beautiful hoop earrings from Margaret Elizabeth Pacific Hoops are $78. Whoa. So they're sterling silver with 24K gold inlaid over the sterling silver. Okay, so I'm actually very happy for that because my ears are like very sensitive. So I can't like hardly use anything that is kind of like fake. So yes, I'm living for this. This is $78. Awesome. Next we have the Dove Caran Cashmere Mist deodorant / anti-face brand. This is $15. Awesome. Also, I mean, I was like, this is heavy. Like, I feel like there's a lot of product on it, so that's not bad at all. Next up, we have the Clinique High Impact Lash from, I already said it, Clinique Mascara. So this is $9.50. Like I said, I've tried Clinique, especially I tried their mascaras, and they're really, really good. So I'm excited, really excited for this. Next up, we have the Zano Activewear on the go bag. This is $15. I mean, I love these bags and stuff like that. I mean, it looks like any other regular bag, to be honest with you, but it's okay. Like I'm living for it. I do like them. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't say $15, but it's okay. It's fine because everything else I'm loving a lot. So then we have the Instant Lift Eye Mask, which it costs $26, and we know like beauty products, they're expensive. expensive. So whenever I get beauty products and stuff like this, I'm like, yes, queen. Next we have the Halo Color Lab Pinamontilla La Llame Los Bomberos. This is actually $12.95. And I believe that each box comes with one of the 5 shades. So you can get either this red one that I got, and they have like a kind of like nude one, a brown one, a kind of like pink nude, and a blue one. So let me know in the comments if you got this box and which color you got from the nail polish. Next up we have the Dove Ultra Care Concentrated Repair Cream Conditioner, and this was $4.99. They do not have the price of this, which is fine. It's fine. I think last time something that it wasn't a keychain, but I think it was like $10. So it's probably around that time. But anyway, all of the total box value is $161.44. That is amazing. That is awesome. I am so excited. So my final thoughts on this box are, so I'm loving all this stuff that are in here. I do think that these products are products that I will use more often than the ones that I got on the winter box. Like I've used those other products, and I use the soap and all that stuff, but they're beauty products of the winter box. I don't use them as often, basically because I want to save them for something special. But this, like the eye mask, the conditioner, the mascara, the hoop earrings, like I am loving this a lot. And like all of this, honestly, is so amazing. I really like how the products come. They come very sturdy. So that's a plus. The box is amazing. It's beautiful, so you can use it for other stuff. All the products are quality products, so I really like that as well. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave and put some nail polish, just some eye mask, and tomorrow just try the mascara and see how it goes. So yeah, I'm just speechless. I don't know what to say. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you like this box. What was your favorite product? Have you tried this subscription box? Or is there another subscription box that I should subscribe to? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, you can hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been the Genesis Way. See you in the next one. Bye!